Hi everyone, in this quick demo I am going to show you a WhatsApp marketing automation tool I built using Python. It helps send personalized messages to hundreds of users without needing any paid APIs or third-party services. Let's take a look at how it works. So as you can see, I have made a project named automation tools, and here we are having two files. First file, this file is an Excel file which consists of contacts and the automated message which I want to send. Then I have converted this file into a CSV file which is going to be used by the automation tool. Here you can see I have written a Python code which is actually an automation tool which will be used for WhatsApp marketing. The contacts file consists of the numbers and the message. Now I am going to run this code and let's see what prompts. So as you can see, the automated Chrome is asking to scan the QR code so that we can log in our WhatsApp account. As you can see, the automation has already told us press enter to continue detailed WhatsApp marketing automation after scanning the QR code. Now we are going to hit enter and let's see what happens. So as you can see, the message which I have given in the contacts CSV file, it is being written by the automation and now it will be sent to this contact. Also, I have added some random delays in between every process which is being followed in this automation so that no one can detect that we are using an automation tool. Here you can see the message that the message has been sent to this contact. So the automation is telling us this. Now you can see that the automation has picked the next contact and the automated message is being typed. And that's how this automation runs flawlessly. We have been using it for over 2 months now and Meta hasn't flagged or detected any automation activity so far. It's fast, safe and incredibly effective for targeted outreach on WhatsApp. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.